just it's interesting to hear the analogy of the newspaper is that your plane is in the air. So you're flying the plane and you're trying to make adjustments, which we all feel like when our show is being done. But at the O'Neill, the plane is in the hangar. We've taken it out and we don't have to fly it. It's much harder to make these changes while you have to keep the plane in the air and be visible. So this was it's the ultimate hangar. You just put it in there and it doesn't need to fly yet. It just
Well, Wendy, to that end, when playwrights come to the O'Neill now, are they eager to take those sorts of risks, or are they a little scary?
No, I think they're very eager to take those sorts of risks. And I think that, again, the environment really supports that. And so we have the dialogue is constantly going with the designers and with the dramaturgs. And so, there's a number of key people that are having these conversations ongoing. And so I think that we always say that a day at the O'Neill is like a week of rehearsal anywhere else, and I still believe that to be true, because so much can happen. And we stay really nimble in our presentations. We try to not be married to any kind of, there's been all kinds of history around different ways in which O'Neill workshops have happened, but we try to just really stay in the moment, and if we need to cut things, they go away, and if we need to bring things back, they come back. Because certainly once you get into a production process, that is definitely not the way things happen. You're lucky if you have any of that opportunity. You really need to be closer to having the script kind of ready.